Imagine walking into a restaurant where no human waiter greets you, no cashier takes your money, and yet everything runs perfectly. From ordering your favorite meal to having it delivered right to your table, robots are doing it all. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's happening right now. Robot-run restaurants are the future of dining, combining speed, technology, and automation into a revolutionary business model. Today, we're going behind the scenes to explore how these restaurants operate, why they're trending in 2025, and how entrepreneurs are turning this idea into a billion-dollar opportunity. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this could be the most profitable business idea of the decade, and how you can get a piece of this futuristic industry for yourself. Automation everywhere. Robots and AI are no longer limited to factories. From self-driving cars to AI customer service, automation is transforming every industry. The restaurant sector is now embracing this trend, reducing labor costs while delivering faster and consistent service. Changing customer expectations. Today's diners value speed, convenience, and a futuristic experience. Long wait times are no longer acceptable, especially in fast food and quick service restaurants. Automated restaurants provide exactly that. Orders are placed digitally, meals are prepared and delivered by robots, and customers experience something completely new. Contactless services post-pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated demand for contactless dining. Customers now prefer minimal human interaction for safety reasons. Robot-run restaurants are perfectly aligned with this shift, offering hygiene, efficiency, and reliability. Investment opportunities. The global market for restaurant automation is growing rapidly. Analysts predict billions in operational savings while increasing revenue through faster service and higher customer throughput. Investors are noticing, and startups in this space are receiving unprecedented funding. Early automat restaurants, 1960s to 1980s. The concept began with coin-operated vending machines in the US, offering sandwiches, coffee, and snacks. These early automats reduced the need for human servers, making dining faster and more efficient. Digital ordering in the 1990s and 2000s. POS systems and digital kiosks were introduced by brands like McDonald's, streamlining orders and billing. Customers could place orders without waiting for a cashier, laying the foundation for full automation. Robot kitchens in the 2010s. Companies like Pizza in the US and Zuma Pizza experimented with robots that could cook, assemble, and deliver meals. Sushi conveyor belt restaurants in Japan became a global sensation, proving the efficiency of minimal human intervention. Full automation in 2020s. Today, robots handle cooking, plating, delivery, and cleaning, supported by AI and IoT systems. These restaurants attract both tech-savvy customers and investors, showing that automation is not just the gimmick, it's the future. Customer orders. Orders are placed via touchscreen kiosks, mobile apps, or QR codes. AI-powered systems suggest items based on popularity or past orders. Some restaurants even allow voice commands for ordering. Kitchen automation. Once the order is received, robots handle food preparation. Cooking robots fry, grill, bake, or boil as per recipes. Assembly robots plate meals with precision. AI monitors inventory in real time, alerting managers about low stock to prevent delays. Delivery to table or pickup. Robots deliver food using conveyor belts, robotic arms, wheeled robots, or even drones. Orders reach customers quickly and hygienically without human contact. Payment and checkout. Payments are automated via mobile wallets, NFC cards, or in-app transactions. No cashiers are needed, reducing errors and speeding up the checkout process. Cleaning and maintenance. Some restaurants use robot cleaning to sanitize tables and floors automatically. AI schedules maintenance for robots, reducing downtime and ensuring smooth operation. Benefits. Consistency. Every meal tastes the same. Speed. Orders delivered faster than traditional restaurants. Cost efficiency. Lower labor costs and reduced food waste. Customer experience. Provides a futuristic dining experience. Global examples. Japan. Sushi conveyor belt restaurants, kaiten sushi. Customers select dishes on rotating belts. Modern versions now include AI-powered sushi chefs that automate preparation. Japan also has fully robotic ramen and pizza restaurants where orders are cooked, assembled, and delivered by machines. USA. Pizza. fully automated quinoa and salad bowls with pickup lockers for customers. Spice, Boston. Robotic kitchen with rotating woks prepares meals in under 3 minutes. China. Fast food chains like Pizza Hut and Howdy Lao are testing robots for cooking, delivery, and table service. Some restaurants use AI for facial recognition and customer preferences, offering personalized meals. Dubai, UAE. Hotels and restaurants are integrating service robots to enhance luxury experiences. AI-powered robots can take orders in multiple languages, assemble meals, and even serve drinks. Takeaway. Global adoption proves that this is not a niche trend, it's a scalable, profitable business model. Initial investment. Setting up a small automated restaurant costs $200,000 to $500,000 depending on location and robotics used. Costs include kitchen robots, delivery systems, AI software, and digital ordering systems. Revenue streams. Traditional sales, meals and beverages, upselling. AI can suggest add-ons based on customer preferences. Brand collaborations. Tech companies sponsor robotic systems or apps. Profit potential. Reduced labor costs can save $100,000 per year for medium-sized restaurants. Faster service increases table turnover, leading to higher daily revenue. Some fully automated restaurants report ROI within 2 to 3 years. Scalability. Once the system is set up, expansion to multiple locations is easier than traditional restaurants. Franchising robot-run restaurants is increasingly popular in entrepreneurs. AI and machine learning. Robots will learn customer preferences and optimize menu offerings. Predictive analytics will reduce food waste and maximize efficiency. Integration with delivery platforms. Automated kitchens integrated with delivery apps will ensure faster home delivery. Global expansion. Expect robot-run restaurants in more cities, offering affordable and consistent dining experience. Call to action. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which robot restaurant idea excites you the most. The future of dining is here, and now it's your chance to be part of this revolutionary business wave for yourself. Start planning today, and who knows, your own robot-run restaurant could be the next big thing in 2025.